Developing tonight, Governor DeSantis questioned about Alligator Alcatraz, which is the South Florida immigration detention facility.
And West 2's Gail Pascal Brown joins us live tonight. And Gail, a lot of people wondering what's next if this is going to close next month.
Absolutely. You know, the governor has said that it was always meant to be temporary. We did speak with an immigration attorney about what could happen. Now, attorney Wayne Golden says, quote, Alcatraz was an horrid place and the immigration community welcomes that closing.
My understanding, based on what I was told by members of Congress, is that there was an announcement made on site to the vendors, to employees about this closure.
The closure Representative Ana Escamani is speaking of is that of Florida's Alligator Alcatraz Immigration Detention Center in the Everglades. The New York Times first reported the facility is set to close by June 1st. Environmental groups and lawmakers have called the closure long overdue. Congressman Maxwell Frost said Wednesday, from the day Alligator Alcatraz opened, I was on the ground conducting oversight into the inhumane conditions inside this facility. Now, after wasting millions in taxpayer dollars and facing ongoing environmental lawsuits, this failed experiment in human suffering is finally closing. Speaking in Titusville on Wednesday, Governor Ron DeSantis explained.
When we opened it in the summer of 2025, it was always intended to be temporary because we were only doing it because the federal government didn't have the resources to hold these people themselves.
The governor says the detention center has processed and deported 22,000 detainees since it opened. What will happen to the remaining ones, around 1,400, reportedly from U.S. Customs and Immigration Enforcement documents from last month?
They will be distributed all over the United States, and that's something that's not uncommon.
Wayne Golding is an immigration attorney in Orlando.
Once they get to their destination, they will get in contact with us as their attorneys or their family members, because in the name of security, they will not tell you where your client is going because they claim it's a security risk for you to know that detail.
Why close it? Insiders say high costs. The state has spent more than $1 million per day to operate it. There have also been federal reimbursement delays.
This should never have been open to begin with. This center and this type of policies are inhumane, and we have been advocating against them since day one.
Erica Gomez Tejeda is the organizing director of Hope Community Center, one of the coordinators of the Immigrants Are Welcome Here coalition. Now, she says they help guide families to get some legal help, and some of them are even provided some pro bono representation or counseling. Meanwhile, Congressman Maxwell Frost adds, Floridians deserve accountability for every dollar wasted and every abuse that took place behind those doors.